Huge plumes of smoke could be seen from miles away. The source, right here off Highway 35, where Aransas County and Refugio County lines meet, not far from the Aransas National Wildlife Refuge.
We got a pretty good sized wildland fire. There's a lot of salt grass and a lot of brush in there burning.
The blaze, dubbed the Patton Fire, scorching well over 700 acres. In fact, it was so impressive, the smoke showing up on weather radar. That's it.
We saw the smoke and actually thought it was coming from 4 or 5 different smokestacks, and that's what it looked like from far away, but no, it comes to find out that it really is a big fire.
Mark Hamburg and his wife from Maryland are among the drivers who were met with this roadblock at Holiday Beach.
And here they closed the road, which really put a damper in this, but we've met you guys.
The road shut down to traffic because of dangerous conditions created by that thick smoke. It was during our interview when Hamburger and his wife celebrated seeing the road back open. Getting a closer look, this is what we found. The fire breaking out right around 1 o'clock Friday afternoon on this ranch land. Fire departments from Refugio, Lamar, Rockport, Fulton, and several other resources joining together to get a handle on it. Take a look down on the ground and you can see what's burning out here. All of this dry grass and brush. At one point, fire crews almost had the fire under control, but that's when the wind shifted and that blaze jumped the fire line.
Jumped the original fire lines that we had made, and now it's headed in the other direction. So these things are tough. There's a lot of fuel out there, and the biggest thing is it's old salt grass. The salt grass, it burns wicked and it burns hot, and it's very, very hard to put out.
As efforts continued into the night, additional state resources were also called in, including the Texas A&M Forest Service and Texas Division of Emergency Management. Bill Churchwell, 3 News.
All right, thank you, Bill. At last report, that fire remains active and is said to be 50% contained.